today I'm going to be talking about what pages should you concentrate on to optimize your SEO for a Shopify store. We've known this for quite some time, but there is precedence to favor your collection or category pages over your product pages. A new study from Marketing recently reviewed the top 30 e-commerce stores for 25 billion keywords, saw that collection pages and category pages are outperforming product pages by 19%. So it's important to know this particular fact. So why is that? This is something we've been doing for our e-commerce clients for over a decade, and I've been managing clients and we've been making the same recommendation over and over. SEO works like this. If you have a web page with text, you're going to rank for keywords. But if your product goes out of stock or if you remove products from your store, you're losing those keywords. And in essence, you could have some high performing pages that just go and they're gone. And so is your SEO. And this is why it's important to build an evergreen strategy with SEO where you're building communication that is going to emphasize a particular collection, and you start working on increasing that collection with content, with images, and making it more engaging for the user to really explore, because you don't go into a store and you immediately know what you're going to buy. You're going to get this, you're going to get this, you're going to get this, and you have a sense of exploring and trying to find and compare and make the best options for yourself. The same is true on e-commerce. So if people are coming to your product pages and they're driving results, you're vulnerable to losing your SEO. But if people are coming to your collection pages and they're entering and exploring different products, you're going to have different products that are going to contribute and start leading with sales. So it's important to include content and text and optimizations on your collection pages in order for them to serve as the gateway for your store. Would you rather have one product ranking well on Google, or would you rather have one collection with dozens of products ranking well on Google? Because those two pages will equally, one page ranking for the same set of keywords, but they can have different results because you have more options in the collection page. So make sure you're optimizing your collection pages first with keyword research. You're doing analysis on your competitors, and you start determining how can you optimize these pages in order for not only your customers to find them, but also Google to find them too. So if you have any questions about collection pages or Shopify SEO, or you want me to check out one of your collection pages, drop me a link here below. I'd love to review it for you. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.